Hello, in this tutorial you will learn how to file your DAC7 return through Lovat platform. Online platforms in the European Union and United Kingdom must submit DAC7 returns every year. DAC7 reporting is available in the report section. Here we need to input a business name and choose the reporting year. On the next page it's required to add information about platform sellers. For sellers who sell goods, there is a reporting threshold. €2,000 per year, 30 transactions. We have already added some merchants via integration and can see some info pre-filled. Company name, total gross amount of transactions, and number of those transactions. Each merchant can be added either one by choosing Add New Merchant or via Upload with Excel file. Here is the example about uploading for natural persons. There are two types of natural persons, professionals and individuals. This example is for individuals. We have a possibility to edit the information about sellers before the submission as we do now with the number of transactions for this merchant. Once the information is filled about the merchants, click Next. Now we need to choose how to notify merchants about the submitted report, as online platform must send the information to every merchant. We can choose if we want Lovat to notify sellers or if the online platform will do that, and also the notification method. We choose Lovat and add the email address for sellers' requests. We can check or upload notifications before the next step. The final sections is the summary of the return, and here we can once again check if every seller is listed. Then we can either submit the DAC7 report, save it for future submission, or download the report and then upload it to the relevant portal of the tax authorities. We now choose to submit the report and agree. Once you submit the DAC7 report, the return will be in the pending status. If the report is approved by the tax authorities, the status will change to submitted. If there are any errors, the return will be rejected. We can also file nil DAC7 return or the corrected DAC7 return via Lovat platform.